Welcome. Ever wonder what it's like to live by the wisdom of one of the world's most successful investors? I took on the challenge of following Warren Buffett's 5 core rules for 7 days, and here's what happened. Before diving into the rules, let's set the stage. This challenge was about more than just money. It was about adopting a philosophy for life and success. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is known for his value investing approach, emphasizing long-term thinking, discipline, and simplicity. His success is rooted in strong personal principles. For this 7-day experiment, I focused on 5 key principles distilled from Buffett's advice. These rules guided my every decision, from spending habits to daily learning. Rule number 1 is simple yet powerful. Live below your means. This is the foundation of financial independence, regardless of your income. Day 1 was an immediate reality check. I focused on cutting unnecessary expenses, from frivolous purchases to reducing utility usage. Every penny counted. This rule forced me to be mindful of every purchase, asking, is this truly necessary? It shifted my focus from instant gratification to long-term value. Buffett famously said, the best investment you can make is in your own abilities. Rule 2, invest in yourself, focusing on knowledge and skills. Days 2 and 3 were dedicated to intellectual growth. I prioritized reading and learning new skills, treating my mind as my most valuable asset. This is the compound interest of knowledge. The more you learn, the faster you grow, creating exponential returns over time. Rule number 3 is about reputation. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Act accordingly. Day 4 centered on integrity. I made sure to follow through on all commitments, being meticulous about honesty and reliability in every interaction. This rule deeply influenced my professional life, fostering greater trust and respect among colleagues and partners. Buffett's success is built on long-term vision. Rule 4, think long-term, ignoring short-term market noise and trends. Days 5 and 6 were a test of patience, resisting short-term temptations in favor of decisions that yield value years down the line. I began analyzing every major decision with a 10-year outlook, which simplified complex choices and removed emotional bias. The final rule, keep things simple. Complexity is the enemy of execution. Simplify your business, investments, and life. Day 7 was about decluttering. I simplified my work systems, organized my personal life, and streamlined daily routines. Clarity emerged as a major benefit. Removing unnecessary noise allowed me to concentrate on high-impact activities. The 7-day challenge came to an end, but the impact of Buffett's rules is lasting. What did I learn, and how will I integrate this going forward? My biggest takeaway is the power of consistent, principled decision-making. Small, deliberate actions accumulate into substantial results. I plan to continue applying these rules, focusing particularly on long-term perspective and continuous self-improvement. Thank you for watching.